Today, I'm going to walk you through the AI system I built that runs an entire business for about $20 a month. It's not a subscription to 15 different tools. It's not a team of developers. It's one tool, one workspace with one monthly fee. And in today's video, I'll show you how to set it up, how I use it and what it does for me, and how you can replicate this very easily into your business, whether you're an AI agency, a content creator, or anyone else just looking to get ahead with AI. But first, I guess let's start with the problem with OpenClaw, and I don't want this to come across as any kind of hit piece or negative talk on OpenClaw. There have been many people that have been able to make OpenClaw work, and they've got it set up and it's running their business and they're doing great with it. But for me, I had a very different experience. I'm not a technical person, as I'm sure many of you are not. I kept running into issues and challenges when I had it set up on a VPS, and I was always running into challenges. There was a skill that I taught it that it forgot about, or an API integration that it wouldn't do properly. And I got to the point where I was getting sick of configuring it and constantly fixing it. I was spending more time fixing it and trying to set it up than I was actually using the tool and getting benefit out of it. Now, if you're a technical person and you're watching this and you've set up OpenClaw and it's doing great, that's fantastic. But this video is for people that maybe aren't technical like myself, that want to get access to that assistant kind of vibe and that assistant kind of utility that other people are looking for and trying to create with OpenClaw, but haven't been able to. I'm going to jump into the video now and show you the 3 skills that I've built that I use the most with my Claude workspace. But just a quick note, I forgot to add it into the initial editing of the video. Check the link down below. I've put a free GitHub repository with all of the skills included that you can easily copy and set up yourself in your own Claude workspace. Okay, so the first one we're going to cover is my personal favorite, and it's the ad factory. So a big challenge as a small business owner, when you're creating ads, you want to be making sure that you're creating these ads based on best practice, that you're using all of the right hooks and doing everything correctly and uploading the ad with the right format and the right settings and all the different things that you need to worry about. However, it's hard to do this at scale, especially when you're supposed to be creating organic content, testing creative at scale, and uploading your own ads and doing everything else that comes with actually running the business itself. So I created the ad factory. Now it's basically running off a Notion document. The AI agent created the Notion document with a bunch of different fields, almost like an Excel sort of spreadsheet or a Google Sheet type format. The only column I need to fill in is the thumbnail column. And I'll put that on the screen now so you can see it. I basically create the thumbnail or the creative or the piece of content, the image that I want to upload as the ad. And from there, it's going to do the rest for me. So as I said, it starts with the Notion database. It will then run a cloud schedule whenever I upload those thumbnails or those creatives into the Notion document every morning at 4 a.m. The agent will check if there are any new thumbnails or new creatives that I have uploaded that it hasn't created hooks and ad copy for. It will then use the API to read the thumbnail, generate the ad copy, and once it's doing that, it will actually create the headline, the primary text, and the call to action, as well as whatever button or trigger, whether it's learn more or whatever. It will then update the Notion with all of those fields. So it will be creating a record of all of the things that it inputs, including the headline and the body of the text. Once it's analyzed, the integration that I have with Facebook will then upload it directly to my Facebook ad account as a draft, so that every morning I can jump straight into the platform. It's basically analyzed the thumbnail of the creative that I put in. It's uploaded it to the appropriate platform. It's used all of the best practice settings. And probably the best part is I've trained it on the industry experts in writing ads, for example. So everything that it outputs, it's all based on best practice of all the industry experts in all the different fields. So there is an optional add-on as an external channel. If I'm ever away from my laptop or my computer, I'm actually able to use Discord to chat to it in the Discord #ads channel. It will send me an alert whenever it's published new ads so that it knows that it's ready for me to jump in and either check those ads, and from there I can then go ahead and publish them, or I can make changes to them as needed. So this is a cool one. It's actually a demo agent builder. Now my AI agency is a voice AI agency. So I specialize in building voice AI agents for customer service, sales, and lead reactivation. And what I'm noticing, the more business owners that I speak to, the more of them are wanting to actually see a customized demo of a voice agent built specifically for their business. To do that for every customer that gets in touch and inquires about your business can be quite hard to create new agents and customize the system prompt to get it to a level where it's able to be put in front of a customer to actually wow them. So what I've built here, it's basically a demo agent builder prompt that will take a prompt from /demo agent. It will ask for the business, the industry, the owner, and the location. It will then rely on an industry playbook that the AI built itself, generating frequently asked questions, common pain points, and phrases that are used in that industry specifically. The AI will then generate the entire agent content. So it will name the receptionist, it will give it a greeting, and then depending on which platform I select, either Retell or ElevenLabs are the two that I work with, it will then generate 5 sample call dialogues within those platforms and custom build them and create them within those platforms completely from scratch. And because they're connected to Retell and ElevenLabs via API, it can take all of this information and actually upload that data into the platform so that after prompting the agent within the next 5 to 10 minutes, it's actually created me a demo that I can put in front of the customer. So how this works in the real world is if I get a customer inquiry on a Monday and I book in a demo for Tuesday, on the Monday afternoon, I can give Claude all of this information about that business and it can have me a ready-made customized demo for that customer within minutes. Quick one, if you are enjoying the content, please do like and subscribe. It does help me as a new channel grow, particularly as I'm trying to put out content like this to give value to all for free. As I said, we're putting all the resources from this video directly down for free. You don't have to sign up or give over your email, but a like and subscribe would be really appreciated and will really help us grow. Okay, so the third and final skill we're going to be looking at is the YouTube trend engine. As someone that's trying to create content organically, I need something that's going to help me stay on top of all the trends without distracting me. And, you know, in AI, as we all know, there's always new news and new things coming up and shiny new toys. So this trend engine helps me actually analyze what's performing well in terms of organic content on YouTube. So it will run 15 generic AI search queries across the industry, particularly for the areas that I want to focus on. It will run the Appify YouTube scraper to get the raw video metadata as well as the scripts. From there, it will then normalize and filter out all of the big brands and the larger companies that I don't really want to replicate. It will filter then through the top 25 videos and top 15 shorts sorted by views. It will then run deep research, analyzing the hook, the thumbnail, and the ability for me to repurpose it and put my own spin on it. It will then generate a report. You could have this done as an email that lands in your inbox every Monday morning like I do, or you could have it as an output within your workspace in the form of a markdown analysis report or a PowerPoint trend deck. Well, that's going to do it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed it and got a lot out of it. Don't forget to go to the link in the description below to use the GitHub to download all these tools for free. I put the repo as public so you can access them with instructions on how to install them in your own Claude Code instance. Let me know in the comments below, are you using Claude Code in this way? Have you played with any IDEs? And what are your thoughts around using Claude Code in this way where you can actually build it more as a personal assistant to potentially replace OpenClaw? I'd love to hear from you. But thanks everyone for watching. Appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate everything and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.